The Kenyon Signature Grill is an entirely new grilling experience that seamlessly blends superior features and finishes to suit every design style. Create the perfect look from color, pattern, or simulated finish. The bold exterior styling will make a statement even before you grill. The slots in the polished stainless steel end caps of the lid allow for air to circulate from one side to the other. This is our patented Safe to Touch technology, STT. The grill lid remains safe regardless of cooking temperatures. The patented rotating handle is multifunctional and has a built-in, high-intensity LED light. This light illuminates the entire grilling surface, touch control panel, and surrounding area. The light has two levels of intensity, allowing just the right amount of light. The handle easily rotates to direct light exactly where you need it, leaving your hands free for flipping burgers or checking on a roast temperature. The ergonomic handle is crafted from stainless steel and can be custom finished to enhance the look of the grill lid. The Kenyon Signature Grill uses the patented IntelliCon touch control system to provide smart grilling results. The precision control lets you select the desired power setting, 1 through 16, or the exact temperature in either Fahrenheit or Celsius. Dual temperature controls allow you to dial in different temperature settings for each grilling zone, providing even heat throughout the entire grilling surface. A built-in timer signals cooking completion with an automatic shut-off feature. Experience superior grilling performance and impeccable style with the Kenyon Signature Grill.